ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। एक्चुअली जैसे ये लाइव सेशन चल रहा है, मैं सभी बच्चों से एक बार फिर से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ जो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो यूट्यूब पर जाके देखें, वीडियो देखें, सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, बेल बटन दबाएं, तो आपको फायदा मिलेगा। ये मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है सभी बच्चों से, बार बार मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, तो कृपया मेरे बातों पे ध्यान दीजिएगा। चलिए, थैंक यू। यस, जैसा कि आपको मालूम है, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के दो रूट्स होते हैं, अल्फा और बीटा। अल्फा बराबर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी प्लस रूट अंडर डी अपॉन 2a एंड बीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी माइनस रूट अंडर डी अपॉन 2a। अल्फा प्लस बीटा, सम ऑफ रूट्स अल्फा प्लस बीटा इक्वल टू माइनस बी बाय अल्फा इंटू बीटा इक्वल टू सी बाय, that is the sum of root, that is the multiple of the root, that means multiplication of the two root, that means alpha into beta। ये चीज को, ये क्वेश्चन को आपको ध्यान में रखना है। दूसरा क्या है, d बराबर क्या होता है, b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac। फर्स्ट थिंग, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, ये सब पॉइंट आपको याद करना और नोटबुक में ये फॉर्मूला, ये सबको आपको लिखना है। और कल ही मैं बताता हूँ, ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड यू yesterday, that means there are three condition. That means how can you get the root of the quadratic equation? If d is less than 0, then no real root. If d is equal to 0, then only one root, exact only one root. And if d is greater than 0, in that condition you will get two root of the quadratic equation. Yes, चलो आप लोग 4.2 पर जाते हैं, कुछ क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं। Find the root of the following quadratic equation by the factorization method। चलो एक क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं, एक्सरसाइज 4.2। फर्स्ट, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x माइनस 10 इज इक्वल टू 0, दैट इज आवर इक्वेशन। वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द, वी हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ द x। यहाँ पे दैट मीन्स व्हाट द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ द x स्क्वायर, c of x square is equal to 1 and the last term is third term, tt, third term is 10। then we have to write the factor of the x square and the third term। तो इसको हम क्या लिखते हैं, 1 equal to 1 into 1 and 10 is equal to 2 into 5। for factorize the coefficient of first term and the constant term, we have to get the middle term। हमको क्या करना है, इसके कोएफिशिएंट को और इसके कोएफिशिएंट का फैक्टर करके हमको मिडिल टर्म गेट आउट करना, हमको पाना है। सो वी कैन राइट हियर -3x को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं -5x प्लस 2x। सो वी कैन राइट हियर x स्क्वायर -5x प्लस 2x, देन -5x प्लस 2x, -5 में से 2 ऐड हो जाएगा प्लस 2, देन यू विल गेट द -3 -10 इज इक्वल टू 0। Here, what is the common in the x square and 5x? Here x is the common in the x square and 5x, so we can take x common. Then we have x minus 5 plus 2. Here 2 we can take the common because here 2x and 10. 2 is also the factor of 10, so we can take the common 2. Inside bracket we have right now x minus 5. We have to see that the term which is in the small bracket that should be the same। ये दोनों टर्म जो है स्मॉल ब्रैकेट में, ये क्या होना चाहिए, सेम ऑलवेज। if the term which is in the small bracket that is not the same, in that condition our factorization is not correct। तो जब ही ये दोनों ब्रैकेट का जो टर्म है वो अगर सेम नहीं आता है तो हमें समझ लेना चाहिए फैक्टराइजेशन मेरा सही नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम है, फिर से आपको ट्राई करना पड़ेगा। सो ऑलवेज यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड the term which is in the small bracket that should be the same। now we can write here x plus 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 0। so we can write here x plus 2 is equal to 0 as x minus 5 is equal to 0। here we can write x equal to 0 minus 2 as x is equal to 0 minus 5। in the middle we have to write down here as here x is equal to minus 2 and as x is equal to minus 5, sorry, plus 5. So we have, so x is equal to minus 2 and minus 2 comma 5. That is our answer. That is the root of the quadratic equation. That is the root of the quadratic equation. Now we can check in. Checking, we can check the value of x. Put the value of x in equation first, where the value of x minus 2 at x equal to minus 2, then minus 2x square. At first we have to write down the equation x square minus 3x, equation 1 LHS, x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. That is our equation. Now we have to put the value of x in LHS. X square minus 3x minus 10. What the value of x? Minus 2 square minus 3 into minus 2 minus 10. How much? That means minus 2 square 4. 3 into 2. 6 minus plus 4 plus 6 minus 10. That is equal to how much? That is equal to 10 minus 10. That is equal to 0. Here LHS is equal to RHS. So the value of x is correct. So the value of x which is minus 2, that is the correct. तो ये चेकिंग प्रोसेस है. बाय दिस वे यू कैन चेक योर रूट्स ऑफ द गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज करेक्ट और नॉट. इसी तरह से हम लोग 5 को चेक कर सकते हैं. एट द प्लेस ऑफ x यू कैन टेक another time 5 and put the value of x 5 in the LHS. After that you will get LHS is equal to 0. That is also because RHS is also 0. This is the way by which you can check your root of the given quadratic equation is correct or not. Yes. Question number 3. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. That is another equation. We have to solve this equation by the subtraction method. Now, what is the coefficient of x square? C of x square is equal to root 2 and C term, constant term is equal to 5 root 2. Then we have to do the factor. What we have to do? That means 7x. Then we can write here 5 root multiply root 2. That means how much? 5 into 2. 5 into 2. So root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2. That is the 2. Now we can write here root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Why we are writing here 2x before then the 5x? Because if we are writing 2x here, that means here root 2 we can take the common from the root 2x square and plus 2x. यहाँ पे हम 2x को पहले लिखते हैं और 5x को बाद में लिखते हैं. तो हम इसको देखते हुए लिखते हैं क्यों? फर्स्ट टर्म मेरा क्या है? रूट 2x है. तो रूट 2 क्या है? फैक्टर है किसका? 2 का है. तो यहाँ पे 2x लिखेंगे हम, तो ये इसमें रूट 2 क्या हो जाएगा? दोनों में से रूट 2 हम कॉमन ले सकते हैं. और यहाँ पे इस दोनों टर्म में क्या हो जाएगा? 5. इसमें ये 5x और यहाँ पर 5 रूट 2 है. दैट मींस वी कैन टेक द कॉमन 5 in the 5x and the 5 root 2. So we can write here root 2x common. That means x plus root 2. How can you say that root 2 into x? हम देख लेते हैं इस दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद इतना आता है कि नहीं. तो root 2x multiply root 2, that is equal to how much? root 2 into root 2 into x आ गया. So 2x को हम लिख सकते हैं root 2x into root 2. That means we can get here 2x plus 5. यहाँ पर 5 कॉमन ले लेंगे. क्या हो जाएगा? x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Here root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. We can write here root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 as x plus root 2 is equal to 0. We can write here root 2x equal to 0 minus 5 as x is equal to 0 minus root 2. You can write here x is equal to root 2x is equal to minus 5 as x is equal to minus root 2. That means we can write here x is equal to minus 5 by root 2 as x is equal to minus root 2. So x is equal to minus root 2 comma minus 5 by root 2. That is our roots of the given quadratic equation. That is our roots of the given quadratic equation. ये हो गया roots दिए हुए quadratic equation. I hope all of you are able to understand this question. Yes. By the way, all of you are able to do that. Question number 4. You can write here 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Then we can write here that is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. How can you say that? That means root 2x square को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं root 2 का x root 2 x whole square plus 1 by 8 को लिख सकते हैं 1 by 2 root 2 का square. You can write here 1 by 2 root 2 का square because 1 by 2 root 2 multiply 1 by 2 root 2. That means 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. That means you can get here 1 by 8. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into root 2x multiply 1 by 2 root 2. That means here you will get the x. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is equal to 0. So we can write here root 2x minus 1 by 2 root 2 का whole square is equal to 0. That means here we can get root 2x, यहाँ पे रूट हो जाएगा इसका root 2x minus 1 by 2 root 2 is equal to 0, because if the square will be removed then 0 will be under the root. That means root under 0, that is equal to 0. Here root 2x minus 1 by 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Here we can get here root 2x equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Here we can write here that means root 2x is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Now x is equal to here 1 by 2 root 2 or multiply root 2. That means x is equal to 1 by 4. That is the value of x. By this way we can solve the question. Find the two number whose sum is 27 and product is 182. That's easy for all of you. Two number let क्या बोलता है क्वेश्चन में? Find the two number whose sum is 27. So one number plus another number. One number plus another number, that is equal to how much? 27. Let one number is equal to x. Then x plus one number is x. Let one number is x. Then x plus a number, that is equal to 27. A number equal to another number is equal to 27 minus x. अदर नंबर क्या हो गया? 27 माइनस x हो गया. अब क्या कहता है? And product is 182. That means the product of the one number and another number, that is 182. Then according to question you can write directly the equation x into one number, that is x, and the product मतलब multiple one number into another number. 27 minus x is equal to 182. Solve this equation and get the value of x. Yes, like this. इसको सॉल्व करके x का वैल्यू निकालना है. Positive integer sum of the whole square is 365. That means one is the x. Consecutive मतलब एक के बाद दूसरा. For example 1 2 3 4. That is the consecutive. 1 के बाद 2, 2 के बाद 3, 3 के बाद 4. That means no breaking point, because here after 1 after there is 2, no missing number. 2 after 3, 3 after 4. That is known as the consecutive. So if one number is the x, one is the x, another will be one number is equal to x, another will be another number is equal to x plus 1. According to question, what you have to do, find the consecutive positive integer sum of whose square, sum of whose square, सम ऑफ whose स्क्वायर, जिसका स्क्वायर का सम क्या है 365 है, x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 1 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 365. That is our equation. We have to solve with this equation and find the value of x. Okay. Fifth one, that is also the altitude of the right angle. Right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its breadth, and the hypotenuse is 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Find the two sides. Okay. Triangle. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Number. Altitude. That is the right angle triangle. You know very well. Right angle triangle means the triangle which have one angle is exact 90 degree. Then you can see that that triangle is known as the right angle triangle. ABC. At first you have to go through the figure. आपको जीरोक्स नहीं करना है, कॉपी पेस्ट. तो फिगर बना लिया. हम क्या कहता है, वी हैव टू रीड द क्वेश्चन वंस अगेन. एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ ए राइट ट्रायंगल इज 7 सेंटीमीटर लेस देन इट्स बेस. तो बेस से क्या है, 7 कम है. क्या एल्टीट्यूड, एल्टीट्यूड मतलब दैट इज द नोन एज द परपेंडिकुलर. ये ए बी, ये बेस हो गया, ये परपेंडिकुलर हो गया और ये हाइपोटेन्यूस हो गया. ये हो गया 90 डिग्री एंगल. इसमें क्या है, मैं इसको बेस को x मानता हूं. लेट बेस इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच, x, where the unit of the centimeter, unit is centimeter. Base is x centimeter. Then perpendicular p is equal to x minus 7 centimeter. X minus 7 centimeter. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, if the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. Hypotenuse how much? That is the 13 centimeter. That is right now we have x minus 7 centimeter. Now you know very well h square is equal to p square plus b square. So you can write here 13 square is equal to f perpendicular how much, x minus 7 square plus x square. Solve this equation and get the value of x. All of you are able to do it. Industry produces a certain number of the poultry articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than the twice the number of the particles produced on the day. If the total cost of the production of on the day was 90, find the number of particles produced and cost of the each articles. क्या कहता है, कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री है, वो क्या करता है, कुछ पोल्ट्री बनाता है. इट वाज ऑब्जर्व ऑन ए पर्टिकुलर डे, किसी खास दिन, द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल्स इन रुपीज वाज, कहता है किसी खास दिन एक आर्टिकल्स का जो कॉस्ट था वो कितना था, वाज 3 मोर देन द ट्वाइस द नंबर ऑफ द आर्टिकल्स प्रोड्यूस ऑन द डे. एक दिन में जितना बना उससे 2 टाइम प्लस 3 ज्यादा था किसी एक खास दिन के लिए. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, exercise 4.2, my dear students, let number of articles on particular day is x. Now तो कॉस्ट क्या हो गया, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, कॉस्ट, टोटल कॉस्ट क्या है, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल्स इन रुपीज वाज 3 मोर देन द ट्वाइस ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ द प्रोड्यूस ऑन द डे. तो कॉस्ट ऑफ वन आर्टिकल्स is equal to 2 into x plus 3, that is equal to 2x plus 3. वो मैं नहीं बोलता हूँ, क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है जो 2 टाइम्स जितना एक का कॉस्ट ऑफ वन आर्टिकल्स ऑन दैट डे, 2 टाइम्स ऑफ हाउ मच प्रोड्यूस द आर्टिकल्स प्लस 3, 2 टाइम्स ऑफ x प्लस 3, दैट इज 2x प्लस 3. अब क्या है, ये तो 1 का कॉस्ट हो गया. अब टोटल का कितना प्रोड्यूस हो गया उस दिन, x. टोटल नंबर ऑफ articles which is produced on that particular day, that is the x. So the total cost, for example, आपके पास the cost of one pen is the 5 rupees, rupees 5. Cost of one page is rupees 5. Then how much the cost of 5 pen? Because cost of 5 pen will be how much? 5 into 5. Like that, the number of articles, the total cost will be number of articles multiply the cost of one articles. So we can write according to the question. According to the question, 2x plus 3 into x is equal to x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. You have to solve the equation and get the value of x. तो ये क्या हो गया? 2x square plus 3x equal to 90. That is here 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. You have to solve the equation and find the value of x. And the cost, x का value जो होगा, x क्या हो जाएगा? Number of poetry which is produced on one day, and 2x plus 3 is the cost of poetry on that day. Okay, what the factor of 2? We can write here 2 into 1. Okay, 90, 15 into 6, that is equal to 3 into 5 into 2 into 3. We have to get the 3x. That means we have to get the number, that means 3 into 5 plus 2 into 3. That means we have to get the 3x. We can write here 3 5 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 3 ja 90. We have the 2 here. That means we can 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12, 12, 5 3 ja 15, 15 minus 12, that is equal to 3. That means we can write here 2x square plus 15x. We can write here minus 12x plus 15x minus 90 is equal to 0. So 2x we can take common, x minus 6 plus 15 we can take common, x minus 6 is equal to 0. So here 2x plus 15 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here 2x plus 15 is equal to 0 as x minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 15 as x is equal to 6. X is equal to minus 15 by 2 and x is equal to 6. We have the two values of the x. We have the two values of the x. But what is x? X is the number of poetry which is produced in a one day. So x will be not equal to, here we can write x will be not equal to minus 15 by 2, because the production of the articles will be not in the negative or not in the fraction. Production of the articles will be not in the negative and not in the fraction. So we can't take x equal to minus 15 by 2. So x is equal to how much? X is equal to 6. यहाँ पर cost, and so cost of articles is equal to cost of one articles equal to 2x plus 3, that is equal to, we can take here 2 into 6 plus 3 equal to rupees 15, and the number of articles, that is equal to x is equal to number of articles, that is equal to x, that is equal to 6. ये 15 हो गया, 15 rupees. The cost of one poetry, that is equal to 15, and the number of poetry which is produced in one day, that is the 6.